In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock aspect ratio in Canva. If you've ever tried to resize something in Canva and it kept its proportions no matter what you did, that's the aspect ratio lock doing its job. It's useful when you want to keep images and shapes looking natural, but there are plenty of times when you need the freedom to stretch something wider or taller to fit a layout perfectly. That's exactly what unlocking the aspect ratio lets you do. Here's the simple move that makes it happen. With your element active on the canvas, look for a small padlock icon associated with that element. You'll typically see it in the toolbar at the top of the editor after you click the element. And in some cases, you may notice it right on or near the element's bounding box. Click that padlock icon to unlock it. The icon will switch from a closed padlock to an open one, confirming that the aspect ratio is no longer constrained. Once it's unlocked, Canva stops linking the width and height together behind the scenes. That means when you resize, the sides can move independently, giving you precise control over how wide or tall the element becomes. You'll notice this most clearly when adjusting images, shapes, and frames where fitting a space matters more than preserving the original proportions. A quick note on what you'll see. When the padlock is locked, the element scales uniformly, so dragging a corner keeps everything proportional. After you click to unlock, the element can adapt to the space you're designing for, which is especially handy for banners, thumbnails, and layouts with narrow or extra-wide placeholders. If you're working with photos, remember that intentional stretching can be a stylistic choice, but extreme distortion can look odd, so use the unlocked state thoughtfully to match your design goals. If the padlock isn't immediately visible, make sure the element you want to adjust is selected and that you're looking at Canva's editing toolbar, not the sidebar. Different element types can show the control in slightly different places, but the icon works the same way across the board. That's all there is to it. By clicking the padlock icon on the element to unlock it, you take full control of the aspect ratio and open up more flexible layout options in your design. Try it on a few elements to get a feel for how the canvas responds, and you'll quickly know when an unlocked ratio gives you the exact fit you need,